Hey everybody, Caitlyn Shea MUA here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be my room tour. So if you like room tours and home decor, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, follow on my socials, and let's just get into it. So this is my door that I walk in and out of every single day. Has my purses on it from Primark, Louis Vuitton. This one says eat cake for breakfast. It's from Kate Spade. It's where I keep my robe, and the little C hook is from Marshall's. And yes, Dobby's litter is there. How delightful. And then I have just a bag of stuff that I need to go through, and then my Calvin Klein slides. And then over here is where Dobby's little section is. The little home is where the paw is from Target, and then that's where he gets his food. And this little thing I believe is from Christmas Tree Shop. So yeah. And then up here, Noble Lighthouse is a lighthouse in Maine, and me and my family have been there twice and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to get a sign to remember it. And then this little sign my mom got me for Valentine's Day or my birthday. And then this is where I keep all my jewelry. So I have like bauble necklaces, statement necklaces, short necklaces and long necklaces. And this is a Sweet 16 birthday card from my uncle and my uncle's tie. Was very close to my uncle's. And when you come into my room, this is what you see. This is a little 6 cube thing from Target, and I'm going to get to the things up here. The makeup one I hauled. This is from Marshall's, 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 Louis Vuitton bag. And then I made this little shelving area out of popsicle sticks, and it just holds 2 of my perfumes. I need to change that. It is not April. And let's get on to what's on top. I have my crystals here. I think I hauled this, yeah. I have an amethyst. I have a quartz, another amethyst. I don't know what this one is. And I have a little amethyst. I have a stone that really is important to me. Some bracelets. Picture of me, my brother, and my Uncle Larry. And then this is a bookend, but it's a crystal, so I wanted to keep it with my crystals. So this little container is from Ocean State Job Lot. I wanted to put all my face brushes in it. I finally cleaned all my brushes, so I'm very happy with that. And then this is an extra mirror just in case I need it, and when I put it on at night it gives more light because I have no light in this area. And then this little Buddha is from Marshall's. You can like shake them and he kind of like smells stuff on the bottom. Everyone knows my sign, Caitlyn Shea MUA. This is from Marshall's. My favorite perfume at the moment. This is from Marshall's. It is coconut and lavender. And then I have my deodorant. I have my secret deodorant. And then Pink Chiffon and Be Enchanted by Bath & Body Works. And then I have a Bath & Body Works London Calling candle, a little lantern here, and then this little vase is from the Target doll section. My mom got it for me because it has a pineapple on it. I love pineapples. And then I have some fake flowers here. I have a feather that I found, and then a rose that I got from Phantom of the Opera. So that is what's on top. In the first cube I have my nail polishes. This is what I'm wearing currently. It's China Glaze with Black Fantasy. This is the yellow nail polish I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's like 90 something cents at Walmart. And then I'm obsessed with the Wet n Wild gel ones. And then I have some from Marc Jacobs. This little thing is like with all like the little cuticle stuff. Some cotton rounds, a nail dryer spray, nail polish remover, and that little it's actually a candle holder from Bath & Body Works. That is where all my clear polishes are, and those are the fake nails that I put on. And then if we come over to the middle one, this is where I keep all my perfume. This says Gucci on it. I don't know if it's real or not. I got it from Salvation Army. I don't know if it's real, but I like it there, and if it's real, cool. If it's not, cool, so I just like to display it. And then I have some fashion magazines. I have Chloe, I have Lady Gaga, I have Bath & Body Works, Victoria's Secret, Bath & Body Works, Lily Pulitzer, Juicy Couture, some little mini sample sizes. And then over here is just a random little section. This is a notebook that I got from Phantom of the Opera. The Love Never Dies, Phantom Returns, and this is a little light that I like to turn on to make this place a little bit brighter. This is like my dad's camera that he let me borrow. I used it for a photography class in college. And then that little smile with the Chanel lipstick is actually from Pinterest, and I just printed it out and put it in that frame, which I believe is from Target like 4 Halloweens ago. And then in these 2 compartments, those that basically filled with random makeup bags, that I have no idea what's in there. Down here is Sleeping Beauty mug that I got, I think, from Valentine's Day. These are 2 little wands. One is the older one from Harry Potter, that is a pen, and that one I got from Salem. And then a little Dobby. I don't know what you call those, but I only wanted Dobby because my cat's name is Dobby. And then in here is where I keep all my change, and then all my Harry Potter books, and then a little obituary card of my Uncle Larry. And next to my cube area is, look at me, is my vanity / desk. I made it into a desk now because I don't have my desk in here anymore. I just keep my laptop on top. And then this little mouse pad is from Target. It says glitter is my favorite color. This thing is like a bajillion years old, and this iPod, it has a 4 charger, so, and obviously it like charges it and stuff. So, oh, I was listening to The Greatest Showman. I don't want you to on. No. There we go. These flowers are from Marshall's. This little C mug is from Anthropologie, and I just put all my pens on it. And you guys know my makeup situation. And I just have a mirror there. Hi. And then I obviously have my iced coffee. So that is my little vanity, and snuck under there is actually Dobby's litter box. Probably TMI, but it fits right into the corner there. Right here, this thing is from Walmart, I believe. It's from like the bathroom section. This was actually in my bathroom downstairs, and it wasn't being used, so I was like, you know what? Take it up and see what happens. So all my palettes fit in here. I got this from Ocean State Job Lot recently. It fits literally all my palettes, which is so sad to say that all my palettes. And then my makeup that you guys know of from my makeup collection. And then down here, just a Dobby's toy, hair products, and then just random stuff and a rock collection. Yes, when I go to the beach, I collect rocks, so that's what's in there. So that's a little beauty section of my room. And here is the seating area that I absolutely love. This little ottoman is from Target. It has like random papers and all that. And then, so this tray is supposed to be for makeup or jewelry, but I made it for like a little coffee table tray, and it's marble, and I just absolutely love marble, so I had to get it. And then these are my TV remotes, and then a mahogany teakwood little plant guy from Primark that I hold, and this little succulent guy is from Marshall's. And then I have a set of these that are all over my room, so these are from Marshall's also. And then my little prized possession is this little window couch thingamabob. It was $40 at a thrift store. And just look at the patterns. Let me zoom in. It just looks to me like Pride and Prejudice, and I just absolutely love Pride and Prejudice, so it was just perfect for me. So this blanket is from Marshall's, and those 2 pillows are from Target. So I just sit there if I want to like watch TV, or if I want to do my coursework or edit, or literally just lounge. That's a little overview of that section. And then here's a little side table / nightstand down below it. All Dobby's toys. This little thing is from Marshall's or Home Goods or TJ Maxx, one of the stores. And then he loves wrappers to play with. He likes to play with his treat wrappers. I don't know why. And then the table is actually marble from Home Goods. And then my water bottle that I try to drink from every single day. Trying to read the first Harry Potter again, not really working. My phone is blowing up. That's where I charge my phone. This is where I keep all my medication that I take every day, like allergy and daily stuff. And then this little amethyst keeps it closed. And then this little cup is from Target. And then this little guy is from Marshall's. And then this is from Walmart. It's a little candle thing. And then that lamp is from Target. Basically everything in my room is from Target, Marshall's. And when I film, this is basically what you see. So I'm going to go an overview of all the my little gallery wall. Two things you don't see. These are my first pair of toe shoes, and then another little homemade shelf unit that I keep my Chloe box in for my perfumes, and then my Louis Vuitton box. And then I don't know if you can see this guy, but he was like $12 clearance from Marshall's, which I was very proud of because I was in a phase that I wanted a bullhead, so I love them. The Hello and the little garden pictures are from Target. This one is from Marshall's, and then of course Sleeping Beauty, Aurora. I'm obsessed with her. She's from Marshall's. This is actually a Christmas ornament that I got, and it's just a little dream catcher. And then this is actually, I actually made this. It was a DIY kit to make like a neon sign, and it was a bitch to create, but I absolutely love it. So it lights up at night. That little tapestry little thing, cactus, is from the dollar section from Target. Dream Big, Sparkle More, and Shine Bright is from Marshall's. And then that little frame with a London picture is from IKEA, actually, from college. And then over here, this, you can barely tell what it is because of all the glare, but those are crystals. And then I printed that Prada sign out and just put it in a frame. I was in a monogram phase, so I got that off of Instagram, actually. So that is a little overview of my gallery wall. And now on to my bed. Oh, hi, Dobby. Hi, Bugaboo. Oh, big yawn. So this blanket is from Marshall's. The bedding is from Target. The big body pillow is from Target. The two pillows back there are from Marshall's. A sham came with it. And then these three pillows are from Marshall's, and then the one next to Dobby is from Target. You want to say hi? Look at those green eyes. It's like, get away from me, Mom. So that is my bed, and then the bed skirt I recently got is from Target. And then that is actually a bath mat that my mom didn't want, and I wanted a rug, so I took it. I think that is actually from Walmart. And then this little chandelier guy was on clearance at Marshall's, like in the kids section. And I have an obsession with chandeliers because of Phantom of the Opera, so it just sticks up there. And then these little lights around my window are from Target. The Dance Dress Dance, I don't know where that's from. I got it from my parents for a birthday. And then that is a crown I made, a flower crown I made for a picture. I was very into flower crowns. We turn, and then we're on like the last section of my room. So next to my bed is my laundry hamper. That's basically the only place that I could fit here. And then my dresser is from a consignment shop because I wanted to do all black furniture, and my dad found it for me, and I was very, very happy. So I had my fan on because it's a bajillion degrees. And then I have all like my books that I love. I have Nancy Drew, a Lauren Graham one, Great Gatsby, Nancy Drew, Pride and Prejudice, Fantastic Beasts, the Waldo book. This is really good when you're bored because the whole book is filled of Where's Waldo, but it's like a smaller version. And then these two are like the J.K. Rowling, like Pretend That You're from Hogwarts books. And then I have Lauren Graham style, McFly, Unsaid Things by McFly. Very big McFly fan, even though they're in England and I'm here in America. This dance book was a library book. I don't know where I got it. And then this Audrey Hepburn book I got from Urban Outfitters in college. This is a little photo book full of Dobby, and then this Lady Gaga Terry Richardson, yeah, book. And then Little Mermaid, and then I have magazines and stuff back there. And then this is my jewelry box thing. I have some here, stuff in there, and then on top I have more stuff, but that's where I keep my bag. This is my recent bag. I got this from Marshall's for $3. Audrey Hepburn herself. Absolutely love her, from Breakfast at Tiffany's. That poster is actually from college, which was like 5 or 6 years ago. Little collage that I made. Some beads from a birthday and a bachelorette party. My brother's baseball cards, and a keychain. Some butterfly stamps, just random. Mockingjay keychain, Phantom of the Opera ticket, my uncle, and then my cousin Nicole who passed, and then I have a Phantom keychain. And then up above is my Uncle Larry's license plate, and it has 24 in it, which I thought was awesome because that's my birthday and my favorite number. And then this is a graduation card that he wrote for me, my uncle, and I found it after he passed away, and I just posted it like the birthday one. And then up here is where I keep all my party things. Dobby absolutely loves that. But these are some Polaroids from birthdays and New Year's, and then a little, just she believed she could, so she did. And then I voted early for Hillary, and obviously Orange Man won. And then down here is my little TV section. So down here is my TV section. This TV stand is actually from a consignment store. And then I just have random boxes filled with stuff. My MUA makeup kit, and then one of Dobby's toys, and then a bag over there that I like to display. I actually found this TV. My neighbor was giving it away, and I was just like, you know what, let's just take it and see what happens. And I figured out how to plug it into my computer so it becomes a monitor and I can watch Netflix on it, so thankful for that. And then my brother loves DVDs, so I took a DVD player from him because he got a new one. So yeah, I have a little salt lamp thing with a little tea light in here that sometimes I like to put on. And then this is a little C jewelry box that I got, just has like random stuff in here. Sunglasses, all my bracelets, a little plant guy, same lamp that was on my nightstand, and then this is a little lighthouse that I got from my mom. And then I keep this up because this is the last Mount Ida fashion show, and I don't know if you heard on the news, whatever, but that was my college, it was my home for 5 years, and I'm so sad that it's not gonna be Mount Ida anymore. And then over here is my closet. This backpack is what I keep everything for my course, and then everyone has to do this in a video, right? Hi! So this is my outfit of the day mirror. Look at that cat. Seriously? He's a loaf of bread. So that was my room tour. I hope you enjoyed. I am so happy how this whole thing turned out. It's been taking a while to put everything together, but I'm so glad that everything's together. Am I making sense? I don't know. So if you like room tours, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow my socials, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.